In this video, we'll cover the best practices for extending EGT probe thermocouple wires, an important process that, if done incorrectly, can significantly affect the accuracy of your temperature measurements. Use the correct extension wire. Always use thermocouple extension wire that matches the type of thermocouple in use. For most EGT probes, including ours, that means type K. These wires are made from specific thermoelectric alloys that must match the sensor to maintain signal accuracy and integrity. Using regular copper wire is not recommended, as it can create unintended thermoelectric junctions. These false junctions introduce additional voltages, leading to measurement errors and unreliable performance. Observe proper polarity. Thermoelectric circuits are polarity sensitive. Each conductor, positive and negative, is made from a different metal. Reversing them will result in incorrect readings. Color-coded insulation can help ensure correct polarity. In the US standard, Type K thermocouples typically use yellow for the positive lead and red for the negative. Ensure clean, secure connections. Poor connections can introduce electrical noise or unwanted resistance, degrading measurement accuracy. Always use connectors or terminal blocks rated specifically for thermocouple applications. Avoid soldering thermocouple wires. Solder can introduce new junctions or incompatible materials. Instead, use screw terminals or crimp connectors made for thermocouple-grade alloys. By following these best practices, you'll help ensure accurate, reliable, and long-term stable temperature measurements from your thermocouple system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us at thesensorconnection.com. The Sensor Connection. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.